Are you looking for the best inverter MIG welder? In this video we will look at some of the best inverter MIG welder in the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. SUNGOLDPOWER 140A Inverter MIG Welder. This SUNGOLDPOWER 140A MIG welder does have a very simple and easy to understand user interface. Its design suits both beginners and the experienced welders. It has advanced control technology that will guarantee great welding performance. Its ability to work with the different types of electrodes will increase convenience of the user. It also has an advanced module IGBT together with a dual voltage. This helps in maximizing performance of welding. Performance. This SUNGOLDPOWER 140A MIG welder does have a large current range. It is possible to use it at 220 V. The extra power will offer you with more current when compared to the standard MIG welder that is perfect when working or making a bigger project. It is shorter than the average duty cycle, which will help set this model apart. However, it still requires some rest period before it is being used again. This welder is also shorter when compared to other models in the market. Despite most models having 20% duty cycle, this SUNGOLDPOWER 140A MIG welder does have a duty cycle of 60%. It means that after every 6 minutes of welding, this machine will have to sit for 4 in between the work. At number 2. Kikinghorse F130UL Gasless Inverter MIG Welder. The Kikinghorse F130UL Flux Core Gasless MIG Welder is a top welder in the market, well known for its great power consumption, portability, high performance and efficiency. This is why this Kikinghorse F130UL Flux Core Gasless MIG Welder has come second in our list. Since it weighs a mere 10 pounds, it is possible to place it anywhere, and you can work from anywhere, whether indoor or outdoor, without having to mess the tiles or floor. Using the Kikinghorse F130UL Flux Core Gasless MIG Welder will enable you make a clean weld from the rusted or painted aluminum and mild steel. This MIG welder is designed to help make it easy to use and understand. The user interface is simple and different controls are well labeled. It comes with a heavy-duty strap that has an adjustable functionality which will enable you move the machine in and out of the house using one hand. After you have put it in position, you can always adjust the level of voltage from A through to K. You can also decide to go over the red control knob to enable you switch the desired wire feed speed from 1 to 10. Performance. With this Kikinghorse F130UL Flux Core Gasless MIG Welder, it is possible to cut back on the consumption of power by up to 25% when compared to the others in the market. This MIG welder is powered using a dual voltage 110V/220V together with an IGBT inverter that helps in ensuring up to 8.0 efficiency in welding. It does have a wall socket plug that comes right from the power inverter, which is well designed for runoff 120V socket. It does have a 007162 MIG, which is well optimized and streamlines the welding performance for the gasless activities inside the house. At number 3. Weldpro 155 amp Inverter MIG Welder. The Weldpro 155 amp Inverter MIG/stick arc welder is a top performing inverter MIG welder, as it combines both the flux core and the MIG welder using a stick welder to offer welding opportunities that are unparalleled. Design measuring 15 by 13.6 by 6.7 inches, this Weldpro 155 amp Inverter MIG/stick arc welder is a very portable and compact welder that is ideal for any person who would like to try out different types of welding. It comes with a number of innovative features that helps enhance its value despite its affordable price. This Weldpro 155 amp Inverter MIG/stick arc welder comes well packed with a MIG torch, MIG gun, a cable, clamps, electrode holder, quick connector, hammer brush, flow meter, flux core wire and sample welding. All these components will help the welder to using the machine right when it is out of the box. It also comes with a number of safety features together with an advanced IGBT inverter design that will help prevent overheating and offers an overcurrent welding protection. Power. Just like the other inverter MIG welders we have reviewed, This Weldpro 155 amp inverter MIG/stick arc welder also comes with infinitely adjustable heat settings together with wire feed settings. It is possible to tailor this machine to your exact specifications to help deliver a precise weld. It is capable of operating two different voltages, the 110/115V and the 220/230V. This will help in opening a wide range of projects that you can work on. When using this machine, you will be able to weld up to 1/4 inches in feed wire and mild steel at a range of 78 to 472 inches per minute. It does have a working voltage of 115V/230 plus or minus 15%, and on top of that has a 30 to 155 amp output. At number 4. VIVOHOME Portable Inverter MIG 130 Welder. The VIVOHOME company is well known for creating some of the top industrial tools in the market. This company is behind the manufacture of VIVOHOME Portable Flux Core Wire MIG 130 Welder that has managed to make it to our top 5 lists of the best inverter MIG welders in the market. The design of VIVOHOME Portable Flux Core Wire MIG 130 Welder is compact and lightweight. This makes it very easy to move around with or store in case you are not using it. It is made of stainless steel and makes it be rust resistant. This VIVOHOME Portable Flux Core Wire MIG 130 Welder was specifically designed for stainless steel and mild steel. This makes it a perfect welder when it comes to welding of automobile body parts or products made of thin sheet metals. VIVOHOME Portable Flux Core Wire MIG 130 Welder has an overheat protection feature which will help in preventing the MIG welder from getting damaged after some period of use. You will also get a free welding brush together with a welding helmet when you buy it. Performance: the VIVOHOME Portable Flux Core Wire MIG 130 Welder operates on a 110 volts DC current and offers up to 50 to 120 amps of welding current. It is a gas welder which uses metal inert gas to help in preventing oxidation of surfaces which have been welded. You will have complete control over the speed of welding when using this VIVOHOME Portable Flux Core Wire MIG 130 Welder. It has a 15% duty cycle rating when being used at 105 amps.